Holy shit, guys. We're in a freaking blizzard warning. This is terrifying. Make sure you're not driving. It's oh shit. This is scary stuff, man. Look at that. Blizzard warning all the way. Check your media. Check everything, man. There's blizzards coming. They're coming our way, man. This is how people in Boston felt. It's just terrifying like this is blue skies. And this is scary. I'm terrified. And I'm not even joking. It's like the end of the world. Look, there's no one out here. Look, someone's breaking into that house. Blizzard warnings make people crazy. They're like the riots. The riots. Oh my god. My car's gonna get totaled. This is so scary. Look at that. It's moving. It's coming. It's coming our way. Everybody get in your house and say goodbye to your loved ones. My hair is messed up. I don't care. It's a blizzard. It's a freaking blizzard. We gotta get inside. We gotta freaking get inside. God dang it. What about those dishes? I don't even care. I don't even care. Look, there's a blizzard warning, Mom. We're all gonna die. Where's Peyton? I gotta say goodbye to him. It's the last time we'll see him. For the blizzard. Okay, I won't. Where's Kayla? Why did you scream? That's gross. That's gross. Look at this. Gotta clean. People breaking into houses out there. Alarms going off. Like Alice in Wonderland.
Dude, we might have like maybe a foot of inch.
Holy shit, we're gonna have a foot of inch. A foot of inch. No, not a foot of inch. Oh my god, a foot of inch. A foot of inch, you all heard that. A foot of goddamn inch of snow.
It's true.
Holy. Everyone watched the Oscars tonight. This is the last time you'll ever see them. You're all gonna die. We're all gonna die.
We had an emergency on our phones.
Oh my god. Blizzard warning. It's taking effect. Everyone just run, eat a cookie. Oh, this cookie.
Those cookies are good.
Yes, they are. Go away.
There's only a little bit left.
Just kidding. She's a meteorologist. We need her. For the foot of inch.
Yes.
A foot of inch.
I am a meteorologist and
An idiot.
No!
Just kidding.
And what's it called?
I don't know. But everybody just get inside and hide. This is scary. Just look outside for the last time. It'll be the last time you see it.
You see